Well, as you've probably noticed, this question is an absolute stinker. This is as hard as it gets. If you can do this one, you're doing okay. Let's have a look at it. The only way we're going to solve this problem is to factorize and then cancel. So I'm hoping that as we work through the problem, we'll be able to cancel factors top and bottom. Let's actually do a little bit of preparation work. This is a quadratic. There is a good chance it will factorize. Let's see if we can do that first. This is going to have to be 3x. This is going to have to be x. Let's try 2 and 2 for 4. This gives us 2x. This gives us 6x, so that's not going to work. Let's try 4 and 1. I've put them in those places because if I put the 4 here, I'd get 12, and no way would I get to 1. Yes, this stands a chance. We've got 4x here and 3x here, so I can make the difference a positive 1x by putting a plus there and a minus there. I think the next thing to tackle is to put these two guys on a common denominator. And that common denominator will be the multiplication of both these terms. So this is 3x minus 4 multiplied by x. 3x minus 4 goes into our denominator x times, plus x goes into our denominator 3x minus 4 times, so 3x minus 4. So this will be equal to 4x minus 4. And that further simplifies because I can take a 4 out of the top, and this is x minus 1. Now, it's quite good that things like x minus 1 are turning up more than once, and 3x minus 4s, and there's 3x plus 4s flying around. So let's rewrite this and see what we can do. I'm also going to take an x out of this pair of terms because it is common to both of them. So therefore I can say x, this will be 45x squared minus 80, and that's divided by our two factors now, which is 3x plus 4, x minus 1, multiplied by our new version of the big bracket here, which is 4x minus 1, and that's divided by x, 3x minus 4, and that is equal to, well, we can do not much with this yet, so this is copy and paste, so 5x minus 8. Well, that's starting to look a little bit better. And because all our brackets are multiplied on the left-hand side, so long as I've got the same bracket, top and bottom, it will disappear. So the first thing to disappear is an x on the top and an x on the bottom. The other thing that will go is x minus 1 with x minus 1 on the bottom there. Look at the denominator we've got now. 3x plus 4 multiplied by 3x minus 4. This is the expansion of the difference of two squares. So if we put this together, this will simply be 9x squared minus 16. Normally we'd be expanding this guy into two separate factors, but this time we're putting it together. Oh, and I've just spotted another cancel. We've got a 4 here that will cancel with the 4 on the other side. Things get better and better. Now a clever bit. Have a look what will happen if I took a factor of 5 out of this bracket here. 5 times 16 is 80, and 5 times 9 is 45. So that top expression, taking the 5 out, would look like this. 9x squared minus 16. And this is equal to the right-hand side, x plus 2, divided by 5x minus 8. It means that the 9x minus 16 will cancel with the 9x minus 16 on the bottom. So all I've got to do is multiply both sides by 5x minus 8 and simplify from there. So I get 5 5x minus 8, and that is equal to x plus 2, Multiplying this bracket out, we get 25x minus 40 is equal to x plus 2. X is on the left, numbers on the right. This x comes over and reduces this guy by 1. So we get 24x is equal to 2 sits on this side, joined by the 40, 42. And therefore, x is equal to 42 over 24. These are both divisible by 6, so I can take a common factor of 6 out, leaving 7 over 4. And that, after a great watch of algebra, is your answer.